Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this internship video series, today we have an exciting announcement from IBM. IBM has announced product marketing intern. For this product marketing internship, the corresponding job location will be Bangalore, and it could be a full-time internship program, and there is no travel required for this internship. In order to apply for this product marketing intern, let's see what are the preferable and eligibility criteria for this internship program. When it comes to the required technical as well as professional expertise, so these are the skills required. One is you should be currently enrolled in an accredited university. It could be of any university, but the university should be accredited. And you should be passionate about marketing, technology, and consulting field. And the third important expertise you require is you should be comfortable enough working in different groups of various backgrounds and skills in order to enable collaboration. And the very important expertise you require for this internship is you should have a fluent English with strong written as well as verbal communication skills is required for this internship program. Let's see what are the preferred technical as well as professional expertise required for the skill set. You should have a basic knowledge of product marketing and business to business marketing or field marketing or any other related field in terms of marketing. And you should be passionate about the software products such as hybrid cloud, or it could be an AI product, or it could be a hardware product also. So be passionate about clouds and AI technologies. And you should be a strong strategic, consultative, data-driven mindset. This is a highly required skill. And basic knowledge of problem solving and analytical skills are required for this internship. And basic understanding of go-to-market strategies that is going to help you the audience strategies as well as client experience design and A to B testing and basic Excel, Python, Tableau technical skills is required for this internship program, which is preferred. If you want to apply for this product marketing intern, please click the apply now button to fill the internship program. For this internship program, the stipend will be there, like 50,000 rupees is stipend amount for this product marketing internship. And you can click this. Once you click the apply now button, it will redirect to a new page. Fill all the details like first name, last name, primary email ID. You are supposed to upload your resume as a document format or as a PDF format, maximum size of 2 MB. Experience level, your areas of interest, you can choose it, followed by your primary country, region, and communities of interest. So you can choose the community of interest. And finally, you have to acknowledge this entire application and then click join button. Once it is done, the application is successfully completed for the product marketing internship. Once you are done that, you will be getting an email from them. For such type of internship related videos, please do follow my channel. My YouTube channel handle is Start with Jana. So I will be posting videos related to internship opportunities, scholarship opportunities, and latest technology updates and free certifications for students. I will be posting it. And you can visit my playlist. The playlist has been curated in such a way that this playlist will help you in terms of latest trending technology updates, scholarship related things, your hands-on experience on technologies, as well as the internship opportunities. You can see my playlist. Check out this playlist. Please do support me in the YouTube journey. And please share this information to your friends, colleagues, your neighbors. They will also get benefited from these videos. Please do share with them. So for more information as well as updates related to internship, scholarship, technology updates, your pre-certification updates, please stay tuned to my YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel handle, Start with Jenna. Thank you so much for watching. We will see in another interesting video.